Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into an in-depth review of the Asus ROG G15 G513IM, a powerhouse of a gaming laptop featuring the Ryzen 7 4800H CPU and the RTX 3060 NVIDIA GPU. This is basically my laptop. This laptop promises to deliver an exceptional gaming and productivity experience. So let's explore its capabilities. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. Now let's begin. So an overview of the Asus ROG STRIX G15 is designed for serious gamers and content creators. With its AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics, this laptop offers a perfect blend of performance and efficiency. It features a 15.6-inch FHD display with a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and immersive visuals. Performance of the Asus ROG STRIX G15 is it has a Ryzen 7 4800H and 8-core 16-thread CPU, delivering impressive multi-threaded task and gaming performance. Its high clock speeds and efficient architecture handle demanding applications and games with ease. The graphics card is a RTX 3060 GPU equipped with 6GB of GDDR VRAM, offers ray tracing and AI capabilities, enhancing gaming experience and accelerating creative workflows. RAM and storage it has 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a TB NVMe SSD. The G15 ensures fast load times and seamless multitasking. The ample storage space accommodates large game files and multimedia projects. Now let's talk about display and audio. The display is a 15.6-inch FHD display with a 144Hz refresh rate, provides fluid visuals and vibrant colors, crucial for gaming and content creation. The slim bezel offers an immersive viewing experience. Audio. The laptop features dual speakers with smart amp technology, delivering clear, powerful sound. The DTS Ultra technology offers virtual surround sound, enhancing the gaming experience and content creation as well. Now let's talk about the design and build of the G15. The G15 sports a sleek and aggressive design with customizable RGB lighting on the keyboard and the light bar on the bottom. The durable chassis and the premium build quality reflect the ROG brand's commitment to excellence. Let's talk about cooling. The laptop features an advanced cooling system with multiple heat pipes and fans, ensuring optimal thermal performance during intense gaming sessions. Last but not least, let's talk about battery life. The G15 is equipped with a 90Wh battery, offering decent battery life for a gaming laptop, while heavy gaming sessions are best enjoyed plugged into the wall outlet. The laptop can handle casual use and productivity tasks on the battery power. In conclusion, the Asus ROG G15 G513IM stands out as a versatile gaming laptop with powerful hardware, a high-end refresh rate display, and an excellent build quality. It's ideal choice for gamers and content creators looking for a reasonable and reliable high-end performance machine. And well, that's the end of this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So see you next time. Bye.